Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Makeover Monday. So today we're going to be making a keto-friendly, crustless chicken taco pie. So it's a chicken taco pie, but it's keto-friendly. All right, but before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love low-carb recipes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and be sure to check the description below to find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So this is super easy. I love anything that's taco flavored, so I'm kind of excited about this one. But I had some leftover chicken breast from the other night, and I'm just using they're salad choppers, but I'm using them on meat. That's what I love them for. You may have seen them before. Just to kind of shred this up. So chopped chicken breast, about a pound of it. And then I've got 3/4 of a cup of cream. I've got a 1/4 cup of salsa. And I have got some taco seasoning. Now I like to make my own. If you just want to buy the store stuff, you just need 1 packet. So taco seasoning goes in, and then I've got 4 large eggs that I've already kind of whisked together or beaten just a little bit. We're gonna add some salt. We're gonna add some pepper. And then I've also got 1 full cup of cheese here. So I'm gonna add about 3/4 of this. I might have a little more than a cup here to our mixture here, and then I'm just going to stir this really, really well. And that looks pretty darn good. Let me just run my scraper around here, make sure we got every little last bit of it. And then I've got a pie pan here that I'm going to spray with a little bit of cooking spray. I want to make sure I spray this pretty good. And then we're going to dump our mixture in our pie plate. And we're going to spread it out. And then the rest of that cheese that we have there, we are just going to sprinkle right over the top. And then this is going to go in the oven, 350 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes. All right, our taco pie is finished. Smells wonderful. I have let it cool off just a little bit because I wanted to make sure that it's set up nice. So we will go ahead and cut into this and get a slice. Trying to make my slice perfect so when I photograph it looks decent. I don't know how to cut a pie. I need to get one of those things from Amazon that you just stick it over the top and it marks the pie for you. But look at this cute little thing. It's a high heel. All right. Look at that. Uh-oh. Oh, we'll just I got a fork right here, a spoon. Let's give it a try. Oh, you know what I forgot? I was like, this would be really good with some sour cream on it. This is the end of the container, so I guess I can use this spoon. And a little bit of chives. All right, let's try this again. Much better. Still tastes like I want to put it in a flour tortilla, but I can't do that because we're going to keep this low carb. But no, it's really, really, really good. I love all the flavors together. And the eggs just hold it together really, really nicely. So if you're doing low carb, I hope you give that one a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I thank you for watching. Bye.